Good afternoon, students. I hope everybody is fine at home and you people are learning whatever is taught. Are you learning? As you have your first paper, that is English 2, isn't it? English 2 is your first paper on Monday. So I guess you people have started learning all the chapters, whatever is taught. Okay. So today, again, we'll do the revision. First chapter revision we have done in the last session. Today, again, we'll do the revision of the next chapter. Okay. And if you have any doubt in any question, answer, or exercise, you can ask today. Yes, Lavanya, what is the problem in the beginning only?
Miss, I have not any problem, but I want to say that Miss, you can take any test tomorrow.
How test I will conduct from here?
Miss, oral test.
Orally, I will ask today only. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry, I will ask. Yes, Pratyusha.
Ma'am, you can do like this. You can write the questions on the board and we will copy and write it into our notebooks. Then we will answer that is right or wrong.
Your voice is not clear, Pratyusha. It's cracking. I will ask oral questions. Okay. Orally, we'll do the revision. Okay. Yes, Divyansh.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Ma'am, I have said I have asked one day that this page number 50, I have doubt in this exercise. Page number 50, exercise C.
50.
50. Yes,
60,
ma'am.
50.
Yeah.
Okay. Which exercise? C.
Yes, ma'am. Some doubts I have, ma'am. So, miss, one more time, if you can explain this afterwards.
Okay, we will do that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Say.
Miss, can you the page number 50 B1? B1 first spelling.
Page number
50.
50. Same page. Okay. What is the doubt here?
B1.
C.
B1.
B. Which one? All the questions. 1, 2, 3.
First one.
First one is calm.
CALM.
CALM. Calm. Clear? CALM. Calm. Yes, Sarthak Singh.
Miss, tomorrow we'll having our class.
I'm unable to understand what you said.
Tomorrow we'll have a class.
Say it again.
Miss, tomorrow classes will be there. Miss, tomorrow classes will be there.
Yes, tomorrow class will be there. Why?
Miss, I got study leave.
Study leave is on Saturday. Tomorrow is Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Anunay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 2 days have study leave is there. Miss, on first also study leave is there.
First is Sunday. It is there for you to study.
Okay, ma'am.
Kanshika,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Miss, I have to say, Miss, I'm 5 minutes late. So, ma'am, you can
Nothing I
tell
have
me.
taught. Nothing I have taught. Okay. And be on time from the next time. Okay. So we'll do the revision now. Okay. First, I'll just give the summary of the lesson. Okay. So second chapter, that is NAT, comes to Plumfield. Okay. It's first chapter of the novel Little Men, written by Louisa May Alcott. Okay. in this chapter, we have seen that a boy named Nat, he was sent by Mr. Lawrence. He was having a letter given by Mr. Lawrence, and he had sent him to the Plumfield School. Okay, so he comes there, and he was hoping that he would get admission in the school, and the school was run by Mrs. Josephine Behr. Okay, so he comes there, and when he reached there, it was raining, and he was welcomed by a lady. She asked him to come inside the house, and then he gave the letter to the lady. He was at the same time he was sitting in the hall, and the lady went inside, and he saw in the hall the boys were playing. Okay, because it was raining outside, so the boys were enjoying themselves playing playing some games like game of tag. Some of them, they were sliding down the banister, and Nat was sitting in one of the corner and watching. He was enjoying to watch all these boys. And the same time, one of the boy, he slipped from the banister and he fell on the ground. He lost his control. He was unable to control himself, and then he fell on the ground. And then immediately Nat ran towards him to see if he was all right. Okay? And then this way Nat met Tommy Banks. The boy was Tommy Banks. This way they both met each other, and then when they were talking to each other, that same time, the lady, the maid servant, she came there with Mrs. Josephine Behr. Okay? And Mrs. Behr, she was very happy to meet the new boy. Then they talked to each other. Then they came to know that the boy had lost his father, and he was living in a damp cellar. Okay, he had lost his father, and he had lost his violin also, which he used to play. He used to play the violin, but he lost both of the things, means his father as well as violin. So he was very much distressed, upset, and Mr. Lawrence sent him there so that Mrs. Josephine Behr should take proper care of him. Okay? Then Josephine Behr, she was very happy to introduce herself to Nat and to her husband also. She told about her two sons, Rob and Teddy. But Rob and Teddy, they were not at all interested to meet the new boy. Okay? Then while having the dinner, all the boys sat on the dinner table, and she made the boy, Nat, to sit next to her. And after that, Tommy Banks was sitting there, and she made her sit next to her so that she could know more about the boy. And while having the dinner, Nat started talking with Tommy Banks. Okay, so this way she was able to find out how the boy is. Okay, so this way they had the dinner, and after that, because now she read the letter what she had got from Mr. Lawrence, and from the letter she came to know that the boy had already lost his father and his violin, and he was very upset, alone, sick there. So he had asked to take care of the boy, and she was happy to take the boy in the school. And after the dinner, she brought an old violin and handed over to Nat so that she could play. And the boy was very happily, he took the violin and started playing a nice music. And while he played, all the boys, those who were playing there, they came very close to him, and they were so surprised and happy to hear him play. As he stopped playing, they all started clapping. There was a round of applause. Okay, everybody clapped. And on seeing this, the boy Nat, he was overjoyed with that appreciation, because till now he was playing music on the road to get some pennies, to get some money. But here, when he played the music, everybody appreciated the boy and they were happy. So he was overjoyed with their appreciation and he started crying. Okay, and then someone said that he would be one of the member in their band also. Okay, so this way he was welcomed by Mrs. Joe and the other boys in the school. So he got admission in the Plumfield School. So this is just the beginning part of the novel Little Men. Okay, it is just the beginning part of the novel. Afterwards, many more things happen. If you want to know, you can read the novel. Okay, so now the story is clear to you all. Okay, yes, Pragyan, any doubt?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Ma'am, I want to ask that that Olympic quiz when I'm putting it, then it is saying start quiz. Then you have to directly start the quiz.
Yes, directly you can start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now you can take the word meanings. Just check the word meanings, whatever is given to write in the copy and learn. Check where, how much you have to learn. Okay, so first word meaning is given here, ragged. Okay, its meaning is old and torn. You have to learn both the things, old and torn. If you write only old or only torn, you'll not get full marks because your ragged means the thing which is old also and torn also. Okay, so you have to write the full meaning here. The next is hospitable. Hospitable meaning also, that is friendly and welcoming. Both the things should be there. Okay, so it's not two meanings, it is one meaning only. So complete meaning you have to write. Yes, Lavanya.
Miss, I have written friendly welcoming. I have not put it and.
And is there. Check it, okay? Write it, friendly and welcoming. Okay, next meaning is that is dusky. So it is one word only, dusk. That dusky means dark. Okay? Then recess, okay? That is a small space behind the door. So full thing you have to learn here also. Next is brisk. It is one word, energetic. Next is, okay, before that, twilight. Twilight meaning is given here, dawn or dusk. So anyone you can learn here. Okay, anyone, dawn or dusk. Next is banisters. Okay, handrail at the side of the staircase. If you write only handrail, that is not a complete meaning. Okay, handrail can be in many places. Okay, but here banister means handrail at the side of the staircase. So full meaning you have to write here also. Okay. Next is cordial. Okay, cordial is one word, that is polite. The next is prancing. Prancing means jumping around. Here also you have to write full. Don't write only jumping or only around. That will be wrong. Okay. Next is anxious. Anxious means that is given one word, that is worried. So one word you have to learn. Gratitude, that is thankful. Okay. Only this many word meanings are there. I hope you people have learned all these word meanings, isn't it? Is Karanveer? Where he has gone, Karanveer. Okay, Arohi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, what you have said the meaning of hospitable?
Hospitable means friendly and welcoming.
Miss, and will be there.
Yes, it is there. Right
Ma'am,
there.
thank you, ma'am.
Abhinav. Okay. It's Pragya Mishra.
Ma'am, would you tell the meaning of this?
Meaning of
This.
brisk, energetic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll see the question answers. Okay, you can take your book here. First exercise is given, that is to arrange the sentences according to the story. Okay, it can also come. Okay, so you have to prepare everything, whatever I have given in the book or in the copy. Okay, so here 5 sentences are there and you have to arrange it in the sequence. Okay, suppose if it comes, so you will be writing the full sentence, okay, in the proper sequence. Okay, don't just put the numbering there. Full sentence you have to write. Akshat,
Good morning. Good evening, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Akshat.
ma'am.
Yes,
I want to ask that, ma'am, this time we have to send the paper on WhatsApp.
yes, you have to send. You must have got the information from the class teacher. This time also,
No, ma'am, I have not get.
who is your class teacher? Which section you are in?
Ma'am, I am in 6th.
A. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe you'll be getting the message soon. Okay. So it is for everyone.
Okay,
As
ma'am.
you finish your exam at 10 o'clock, within 15 minutes, that means before 10:15, you have to send the images of your answer sheet to the school WhatsApp number. Okay. So make sure you people are
Okay, ma'am.
sending it. Yes, Anshika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome. Yes, Anshika Upadhyay. Yes, say Anshika, I'm not able to hear anything. Siddhant. Siddhant. Kritika.
Miss, please mute Pragya Rai.
Hi.
Ma'am, when you are explaining, she's coming on screen.
Pragya Rai is already mute. Yes, Siddhant. Siddhant, do you have to ask something or simply you have raised your hand? Abhinav? Unmute your mic, Abhinav. Unmute it, Abhinav. Nalini Mishra.
Ma'am, I want to ask that in a hospitable, friendly, and welcoming, we have to write. But in my copy, you have checked it. So
Okay, correct it by mistake, maybe write it there. Friendly and welcoming.
Hello, Kapra.
Yes, Abhinav.
Miss now came.
Yes.
Miss at page number 50, Miss C question. Miss, what is the answer of first?
Page number 50, C, first. She brought up.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Mute your mic, Abhinav. And after getting your doubts clear, please mute your mic. Okay, so here, next exercise that is given, that is match the person with the description. Okay, so here also, if it comes, if any match the following comes, you have to write both the sides in your answer sheet. You will not be writing only the answer part. Okay, suppose here it is given here in column A, Tommy Banks. Okay, person's name is written and the other column, its description is given. So first answer when you are writing Tommy Banks, in its front you will be writing roly poly. Okay, Tommy Banks dash and roly poly. You will not be writing only number 1 and roly poly. Okay. Second answer is, question is there, the maid. So answer is there. You will be writing rosy cheek in front of it. Third is Mrs. Beher. Okay, answer will be jolly. Nat, answer is thin and feeble. Fifth one, Mr. Beher. Answer is kind and cordial. Okay, so you'll be writing the question along with the answer. That is the way to write the match the following. If you write only answer side, you will not get marks for that in any of the subject. Okay, the correct way of writing match the following, you have to write both the parts. Okay, is Vriddhi saying? Yes, Vriddhi, I cannot hear you. Your voice is not coming, Vriddhi. If you are using headphone, remove your headphone and then say. Yes. Now say. Still your voice is not coming. I cannot hear anything, Vriddhi. Check your device again. Aditi Chaudhary.
Miss, we have done the exercise which is on page number 21.
Page 21. Yes.
Miss, can you tell me the fourth and fifth one?
Okay. Fourth answer is couple. Fifth one is bunched.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so now I'll see the question answers. Question answers, as I have given in the copy, you have to learn all the question answers and write the same way. Yes, Shansh? Yes. What is happening today? Nobody's voice is coming. You people are able to hear me? Okay, but I am unable to hear you all. Your voice is not coming. Shansh, nothing is audible. Are you using headphone? Still your voice is not coming. Check again your device and then say. Is Aishi?
Miss, can you say me the meaning of cheerful?
Fearful.
Yes, miss.
Fearful or cheerful?
Cheerful.
Cheerful means the person who is very happy person. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, so question answers, you'll be writing the same way as it is given. So your first question is asked, who had sent Nat to Plumfield? Who will give answer for this? Who had sent Nat to Plumfield? Yes, Anubhuti.
Miss, a kind gentleman named Mr. Lawrence sent Nat to Plumfield.
Yes, a kind gentleman named Mr. Lawrence had sent Nat to Plumfield. Yes, good. Second question is, why was Nat concerned about Tommy Banks?
Miss, I can tell.
Yes, Celestine.
He was concerned about when he came to Plumfield, he saw some boys playing tag. They were playing and sliding down the banister. One boy came down so swiftly, he fell off with a crash. That is how he was concerned about Tommy Banks.
Nat was concerned that he might be hurt. Okay, so he was concerned for him. Okay, learn again properly. Okay. Next question. How many children did Mrs. Bear have? Name them.
Ma'am, can I?
Prabhavi.
Mrs. Bear has two boys named Rob and Teddy.
Yes, Mrs. Bear had two boys named Rob and Teddy. Is good.
Teddy.
Okay, now reference to the context. Okay, one or two questions I'll ask. Okay, not all. Okay, so learn, but you people learn all the question answers from reference to the context. Okay. Next question. Dear Joe, here is a case after your own heart. This poor lad is an orphan now, sick and friendless. Okay, this is the reference to the context. Based on this, question will be asked. Okay, and the question is here. First question is, who had written this letter? Who had written this letter? Pragya?
A gentleman named Mr. Lawrence written the letter.
Yes, a gentleman named Mr. Lawrence had written this letter. Okay, good. Next, what else does the letter go on to say about the poor lad? Okay, what else does the letter go on to say about the poor lad? Yes, Nalini. Where she has gone, Nalini. Okay, Siddhant Singh. Yes, Siddhant.
The letter further that the boy had been a street musician. He had lost his father and also a violin as he was distressed.
Yes, good. The letter further informed that the boy had been a street musician. Means before that he was a street musician and he had lost his father and also he had lost his violin. And so he was distressed. Distressed or upset. Distress means here upset. Okay. Good. Next question. How did the writer of the letter propose to help the boy? How did the writer of the letter propose to help the boy? Yes. Ritika? Yes.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
How did the writer of the letter propose to help the boy?
The writer wanted to know whether the boy was genius or talented enough to earn living for himself. Or the properly wanted to help the boy find a secure further.
No, future.
Future. He wants to mentor him.
Mentor him. He wanted to mentor him. Okay. And it is he probably. Okay. Probably. Okay. The writer wanted to know whether the boy was a genius or talented enough to earn a living for himself. He probably wanted to help the boy find a secure future. He wanted to mentor him. Mentor him means to take care of the boy and raise him properly and to make the boy a great person in life. Okay, correct. Last question for this reference. What was Joe's reaction on reading the letter? What was Joe's reaction on reading the letter? Divyansh Day?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, tell the answer.
What is the question?
What was Joe's reaction on reading the letter? How did she react on reading the letter? Where he has gone now. Okay, Shreyanshi.
Joe Bear was very kind and loving lady. She read about Nat's situation and she immediately made up her mind to give Nat a home and lot of love and care.
Joe Bear was a very kind and loving lady. So when she read the letter about Nat's situation and condition that he had lost his father and violin, she immediately made up her mind. Made up her mind means she decided. Okay, she decided that she would take Nat as a student in the school and she would give him a lot of love and care. Means she would take proper care of him. Okay, good. Okay, so this lesson exercise is also there and reference to the context is also there. Prepare all the questions. Then one exercise is there for writing the fill in the blanks, okay, based on collective nouns, okay. So if it comes, you will be writing only the answer. No need of writing the full sentence, okay. Only the answer you have to write. The words, either it will be given or it may not be given. So you have to learn the words also, okay. And use the proper verb form, because in the question it's given only the base form of the verb: flock, herd, galaxy, bunch, couple, but you have to use in the correct form, okay. So use it properly. Okay, now take out page 50. One boy asked me this exercise, page 50. Here are some other phrasal verbs, okay. Phrasal verbs I have already explained. When a verb is used with a preposition, when we use a verb with a preposition and it gives a very different meaning than the literal meaning of the word. Literal meaning means the exact word meaning, okay. The exact word meaning is something else, but when it is used with a preposition, it gives a different meaning. That is phrasal verb, okay. So here some phrasal verbs are given that you have to use in the fill in the blanks, okay. Many students have raised the hand. You people have doubt, or you people have raised the hand to give the answer? Pratyusha, you have doubt? Yes, Pratyusha. Your voice is not coming. Today, what is happening?
Now it is coming.
Yes, now it's coming.
Ma'am, I was asking that there will be negative marking in exam.
No, for what? No negative marking is there.
Okay, ma'am.
If we'll put negative marking, you people will not get any marks only. So don't worry, no negative marking is there. You write the answer properly. Learn and write it properly, okay? Don't just orally learn the answers. When you people are learning the answers, learn it and then without seeing the copy, write it in your rough copy and check properly how much you have learned, okay? So that you will not make grammatical mistakes and spelling errors, okay? Because in spelling error, definitely marks will be deducted. For spelling errors and grammatical mistakes, marks will be deducted. So make want to answer, Anubhuti. Okay. Now this exercise we'll see page number 50. Here phrasal verbs you have to use in the sentences. First sentence is, she dashed the orphan as if it had been her own child. This one I had told to do the correction, okay. Had been, in the place of was you have to write had been, okay. And what is the answer here? She dashed the orphan as if it had been her own child. We'll say the answer is Aradhya.
It's brought up.
Brought up, yes, brought up. The answer is brought up. Usually the meaning of brought. Brought is the past form of bring. Bring matlab lana, okay? Koi cheez lana. But here brought up means, now here brought is used with the preposition. And here brought up means I have already told to raise, okay? Raise someone or parented, okay? Like your parents are raising you, okay? Growing you, okay? That is brought up. Now next, our new neighbor seems to dash on us. Okay, this sentence also we have done the correction here. And the answer, Abhinav Pandey. Yes, Abhinav. Yes, unmute your mic. You're not getting option. I'm clicking from here. Okay, then maybe my network is not proper. Pragya Mishra?
Look down.
Yes, look down. Okay, answer is here, look down. Okay. Look means dekhna, down means niche. Okay, if we see the literal meaning, niche dekhna. But here exact meaning is something else. Okay, look down means to see someone with below the level here. Okay. Third one is, oh no, we have dash of sugar. Could you go to the store and buy some, please? It's Vaishnavi.
Run out.
Run out. Yes, it means here phrasal verb is run out. Okay, run out means I have told the meaning here. Run out that is be used up, means when something is totally finished. Okay, so here the sentence says, oh no, we have run out of sugar, means that means sugar is fully finished. Okay, next is, the teacher was very happy with my composition and told me to dash the good work. Divyanshi?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes.
Ma'am, the answer is keep up.
Keep up. Yes, answer is keep up. Okay. The teacher was very happy with my composition and told me to keep up the good work. Means keep up means here to continue doing the good work. Okay. Next is, please dash your answers once more before submitting your papers. Ayushi?
Which question is it? Can you say the question? Miss, can you? Miss? Yes, Miss.
5. Please dash your answers once more before submitting your papers.
Miss, go through.
Go through. Okay, correct. Go through means to examine something. Okay, we always say during the exam time when you people finish your paper, we are saying, okay, go through your paper. Okay, examine it carefully, read it, revise it so that you can check your mistakes. Okay, so do it in your exam, in every exam. Okay, whenever you finish your paper, after finishing, check all your answers so that if you do any mistake, you can correct it then and there. So you'll not lose your marks. Next one, we never expected the celebrity to come up for our party and so were really surprised when he turned up. Sorry, I have told the answer only. Okay, answer is turned up. What is the meaning of turned up? Meaning of turned up. Swastika, turned up meaning. Option is not coming. Arohi?
Be found or arrive.
Be found or arrive. Yes, good. Here it means.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask that did you explain number the following questions? How we have to do in the exam?
Yes, I have explained last week how to write in the answer sheet.
No, ma'am, this one. Number the following sentences in the order that they occurred in the story.
Yes, yes. We have done it. Which chapter?
Miss, chapter number 2.
Chapter number 2. Yes, we have done it in the class. Before only we have done. Okay, just now I have not done. Okay, before we have already done.
Miss,
You have not.
It will come in the exam.
It can come same way as it is given in your book. The sentences will be jumbled. Okay, and for writing, you have to write the sentences in the proper sequence. Okay, which incident occurred first, you have to write first, then the second incident, then the third, like this. Okay, full sentence you have to write if it comes. Okay, don't just put the numbering there. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lavanya, why are you showing your tongue? Full time Lavanya is busy playing with the icons. Sometimes thumb, sometime tongue, sometime crying face. Yes, what happened, Lavanya?
Miss, page number 50, second question of C1.
Page number 50.
Second question C1.
Second question C. Our new neighbor seems this one.
Yes, miss. Miss, in the options were given in the green box. It has written look down, and you have corrected it at well off.
After that, again, I have told to correct it. Okay, because I was using old book. In my book, something else was given, and you people are using new book, and in new book it is given look down. So I told to correct it.
And miss, one more.
Yes.
Miss, what is the meaning given after brisk?
Meaning after brisk. Banisters.
Miss, you have said something else when you were revising.
I have said, I think twilight after that. Okay, but
yes,
there is no problem in the sequence. All the words I have told. Okay, check it.
Miss, actually, I was not written that twilight.
Okay, next sentence is here in this exercise. Seventh one. When the thief was looking the other way, the two children slowly dash off the room. Mansi. Yes.
Backed out.
Yes, backed out. Yes, answer is here. Backed out. Okay. To move away from the place. Okay. Next, last one is my mother has decided to dash on all kinds of junk food from now on. Rudransh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Cut down.
Ma'am, cut down.
Cut down. Yes, answer is cut down. Okay. Okay, here cut down means to reduce. Okay, to reduce or decrease the use of something. Okay, so that is the answer here. Okay, so the one who had asked me this exercise, now I hope it is clear. Who had asked me? Shyansh or someone? Okay, so I hope it is clear. Okay, now for next day, prepare the next lesson question answers. Okay, we'll do next chapter in the next session. Only 2 minutes are left. Okay, and this direct and indirect speech also, prepare it well. Okay, and when you are writing answers, suppose you have to change the sentence from indirect to direct speech. So if you won't use inverted comma in that, marks will not be given. Okay, while checking the copies, I have seen in many copies, many students have written only the sentence. They had not used the punctuation mark. I'm talking about the second exercise. Convert the following indirect statements into direct. Okay, when you are writing direct sentence, the inverted comma should be there. Without that, the sentence will be, answer will be wrong. Okay. Now, many students have raised the hand. People have doubt or people have raised to ask something. Yes, Pragya.
Ma'am, how many lines poem will become?
10 lines. I had already told 10 lines. And which poem is coming from learning? Yes, Pragya.
Ma'am, the kayak and mystic memory.
No, only kayak. The kayak.
Okay.
One poem is there in each semester. Okay. Two poems are there in the syllabus for each semester, but only one poem is there to learn. Okay, and it is already mentioned in the syllabus. You can check it. Okay, it is written in the bracket, memorizing poem or to memorize. Yes, Sanskriti.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Can you read the sentence on page number 50, seventh one sentence you can read?
Page?
Number 50.
50. Which one?
One sentence.
Fifth sentence.
When the thief was looking. Can you read this sentence?
Look at the camera side, then say, because you are turning back and your voice is not coming.
Miss, the thief was looking. Can you read this sentence?
Okay, when the thief was looking the other way, the two children slowly backed out of the room.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Clear? Yes, Siddhant. Yes, Siddhant. Unmute your mic, Siddhant. What's your doubt? Siddhant, are you able to hear? Do you have doubt or simply your hand is raised? Unmute your mic.
Miss, I am asking that Miss 10-line poem will come.
Yes, 10 lines. Many times
Okay,
I
ma'am.
have told. Okay. Yes, next doubt. Yes, Vriddhi. Yes, Vriddhi. You are not audible, Vriddhi. Your network is low, I guess. That's why nothing is audible. Okay, tomorrow you ask. Abhinav. Today everybody's network is very low.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, I want to ask a doubt.
Yes.
No,
yes.
Miss, I want to. Miss, I want to give the answer.
Okay, now put your hands down. Now I'm not asking any question now. It's already time is over. Okay. Tomorrow we'll do the revision again. If you have doubt, you can raise your hand. Anubhuti, yes.
Can you please explain the chapter number 6 again? I can't listen on that time when you are explaining.
Chapter?
Chapter number 6.
6. Okay. Tomorrow I will give a summary of that, but if still you want to see the full explanation, videos are there. Okay. You check on the website. Okay. I'll explain tomorrow in short. Okay. Because only tomorrow we have one period for revision. Okay. Yes, Anshika.
Hello?
Yes.
This is page number 39.
Say again.
Is it page number 39?
Your voice.
39. Page number 39.
Remove your headphone and then say.
It's page number 39.
Page number 39. 35.
39.
39. What happened there? Yes.
That's the E1 question. The
Yes.
narrator in the story 1.
Yes, jumbled sentences are there. What happened here?
I have not done that.
You have not done. Check the website. Answers I have given there. Check it. Okay. Okay, so for today we'll end the class. Okay. Is Pratyusha, you have doubt? She ran away. Yes, Pratyusha.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so I'm ending the class for today. Okay. So we'll meet again tomorrow. Revise the next chapters. Okay. If you have doubt, be ready with your doubt. Okay. Then ask.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Have a nice day and keep
Bye,
on
ma'am.
learning. God
Bye,
bless you.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.